Hello and welcome to my home kitchen. Today we'll make a cabbage salad with oranges. Very simple, very easy and quick way to have this dish. So we have about 350 grams of cabbage and we will add the olive oil. You can make a vinaigrette separately, 1, 2, or you can even put it like that here, 3, 4, 5, 6 spoons of good quality olive oil. To that we will add 1, 2, 3 spoons of vinegar, any vinegar of your preference. We will add a pinch of salt and the ingredients that will finish it is just some onion, about half of small onion. We have 5 to 6 leaves of fresh mint, and we have 2 oranges, 2 nice and fresh and juicy oranges that we will just add on top. So we cut them like that, not too finely, there. If you want, you can add a bit of cheese, some blue cheese, Roquefort, or some similar Stilton or Gorgonzola would go very nicely. I'm not going to add anything because I'm going to add some lovely stuffed, I'm going to use with that some lovely stuffed focaccia that I have already prepared and I will show you in the video that follows. So this is it, all the lovely freshness here. We will taste it and see. Some nice salt, some nice salad. Try it, you will enjoy it. If you want, you can also put some cheese. I'm not gonna use cheese. And if you want, you can also have the onions in some vinegar so they don't have so much that flavor of the onions. In any case, see the video that follows, which I'm gonna use to have this dish, which is this lovely stuffed focaccia. See you in the next video.